Oh, welcome. I know it's been a minute since I posted, guys. Let's make some savory oatmeal. For some reason, guys, I just wanted some. So we're going to use some steel cut oats. We're going to do a half a cup of our steel cut oats. We have some okra. You can get this from Trader Joe's. It's dehydrated, guys. Sorry, I'm so tongue-tied. I don't know why. All right, so we're going to stir it up. We're just gonna stir it up just a bit, and we are going to place our lid on there. Now you do want to follow the instructions on the back on how to make your oatmeal. Pick this turkey jerky up from Trader Joe's. It's smoked. It's so good. Okay, so I cut it up really small. All right, and then yeah, it is boiling. So it cooked about 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add that turkey jerky. Then we're going to mix it up in there. You must try. If you like turkey and you like okra, if you're not a meat person, I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, I added a little butter because, I wanted, just a little something else in it. And then we're going to put a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Yeah, baby. Because this is going to be some savory oatmeal. I have never tried savory oatmeal. Add a little maple syrup if you just want a little sweet and savory. And I did want that, okay? So now that it's finished, it's piping hot. I cooked me an egg over easy and some Texas toast. Hang on, guys.
So let's try the savory oatmeal. This is what it looks like. I had to let it cool down. It's good. You see I added a little bit of maple. I like sweet and savory. So you feel free to do sweet and savory. Now let's go ahead and crack the egg open. See what that tastes like. Oh, it's got yolk in it, yes. You can mix it around. All right, now look at the yolk. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I ain't never made no savory oatmeal. This is the first time, and I will do it again. It's so good. Oh my goodness. And we can't forget our toast. So remember, I put that turkey in here from Trader Joe's and the okra, which you can pick up from Trader Joe's as well. It's the dehydrated okra. Let's get another spoon on camera. Our toast, Texas toast. I thought that was the perfect way to pair it. It's so good. I will make it again. Y'all gotta try this. I'm serious. Y'all gotta try it. Anyway, hope you try it. Comment down below. How you like your oatmeal?